At the national context of turmoil, polarization, and increasing humanitarian crisis, the project Caracas City 450 Communities is an initiative focused on enhancing the potential of public realm at spontaneous settlements in Caracas. Implemented in 10 spatial actions and programs of different scales alongside communities and professionals from multiple backgrounds, embracing themes of ecology, productivity, social development, and multilateral participation. Understanding that informal settlements are part of the city implies recognizing their urban conditions and character from a morphological and human point of view, recognizing that their values lie in their uniqueness. With this information, the capacity to interact with social representatives, stakeholders, and specialized professionals was tested through lectures and roundtables, updating existing data accordingly, considering communitarian experiences and feedback from experts from different backgrounds. During the design and execution of proposals, a bidirectional transfer of the know-how was put into practice, where participants and the communities contributed equally to the feasibility of projects using conventional software in combination with social media monitoring and outreach. The quest of multidisciplinary and comprehensive approach to the public realm, Fundación Espacio has generated over 100 alliances with diverse low-tech solutions for complex problems, based on community capacities as well as available resources. From the development of ecological retaining walls with geotextiles disposed at the river, landscape proposals for floodwater retention and temperature regulation through evapotranspiration and shading, to the consolidation of a mixed mobility pathway, the efficient use of local materials in a community located along a rivulet to mitigate environmental risks while improving the ecological footprint can be leapfrogging. But we also understand that completing these low to zero emissions life cycles require support from official authorities. Open spaces in this context, beyond scarce, are a privilege, have a multi-purpose tendency in usage. At landscape-level approaches to biodiversity planning at the specific cases of a study, we aim for the preservation of local vernacular practices through the consolidation of collective identity around public space interventions, incorporating native species and traditional practices. The community participation methodology in the project is achieved through activations of public spaces with new elements of temporary or permanent nature, cultural events, physical transformations, awareness-raising programs, training, and entrepreneurship courses that allow constant interaction between inhabitants and promote a sense of respectful coexistence. Within the scope of Caracas City 450 Comunidades emerges the development of stages that guarantee a proper understanding of these areas for feasible physical and programmatic interventions. All proposals are said to be feasible and affordable. In a case of study located along a stream, sizing available natural resources and local talents led to tangible results beyond the consolidation of pedestrian and mixed mobility pathway. This initiative, with its limited resources, also generated an entrepreneurship opportunity for local workers, articulating at the same time other forms of productivity within the community. The primary purpose of these participatory processes is to build a social fabric around community challenges and opportunities in a project that seeks to strengthen citizenship through building public meeting spaces supported by the communities, Fundación Espacio, and public and private institutions.